Good day mga kasupid. This is your pilot speaking. We are now preparing for takeoff here at Angeles City Flying Club. Please fasten your seatbelts, sit back, relax and enjoy the flight. Today, you are flying with Yusana Airlines, where dreams take you higher. Mabuhay! So for today's gala mga kasupid, tulaan nyo kung anong gagawin natin. Obvious naman sa likod ko, no? So we are going to be a pilot for today. Okay? So we are just so grateful, no, sa Yusana for giving this kind of incentive. Siyempre congratulations din sa brand partner ko na si Carl Tabasi, no? Kasi siya yung inawardan. Sama kita talaga. Congratulations! So guys, ito ano to, watermelon electrolyte ng Yusana. Hey, hacker! Hacker ka na ba? Sumagot ka. Hacker ka na ba? Oh, syempre, ganoon talaga. Hindi mo ba nakita dito dumadami yung points ko? Totoo ba? Oo, check mo. Ayan.
Napansin niya ang dati natin this quarter. Previous kind of for a day natin, nung nakaraan.
At tignan nyo ang aking outfit. Wow! Pilot for a day. Let's go!
Kasi this has been rescheduled. No, naalala niyo yung unang original schedule for the pilot.
Na 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 na.